Hey everyone, it's James here. You know me, always on the move, living that travel life, and let me tell you, after years of hustling through airports and sprinting to catch trains, I've learned a thing or two about packing smart. Because nobody wants to be that person wrestling with an overstuffed suitcase in the middle of the airport, right? Today, I'm going to share some essential travel hacks and DIY tips to help you pack smarter and travel like a pro. We're talking about maximizing space, minimizing wrinkles, and staying organized on the go. Whether you're a seasoned jet setter or planning your first big adventure, these tips will change the way you pack. We're gonna dive into some seriously game-changing packing techniques, from the classic clothing roll to the magic of packing cubes. Plus, I'm gonna show you how to create your own DIY toiletry kit that'll have you breezing through airport security. So, if you're ready to ditch the packing stress and travel like a boss, stick around. Alright, let's kick things off with a classic packing hack that never fails: rolling your clothes. Forget about folding, trust me on this one. Rolling your clothes not only saves space but also helps prevent those dreaded wrinkles. Here's how you do it. Lay your garment flat, smooth out any creases, and then roll it up tight, starting from the bottom. It's like rolling up a burrito. But instead of delicious fillings, you've got a perfectly packed t-shirt or pair of pants. This technique works wonders for everything from t-shirts and jeans to dresses and even socks. You'll be amazed at how much more you can fit in your suitcase when you ditch the folding and embrace the roll. Next up, we're talking packing cubes. These little guys are an absolute game changer when it comes to staying organized on the go. Imagine this: you open your suitcase and instead of a chaotic mess of clothes, you find neatly packed cubes, each containing a specific category of clothing. Packing cubes allow you to compartmentalize your suitcase, separating your clothes into categories like tops, bottoms, underwear, or even outfits for each day. No more digging through your entire suitcase to find that one specific shirt. It's all right there in its designated cube. Plus, packing cubes help compress your clothes even further, maximizing space and keeping everything neat and tidy. Trust me, once you go packing cubes, you'll never go back. Let's be real, nobody wants to lug around bulky toiletry bottles. That's why I'm all about creating a DIY toiletry kit using small, reusable containers. Not only does this save space, but it also helps you avoid those dreaded spills that can ruin your entire trip. Start by gathering small containers. Think travel-sized bottles, contact lens cases, or even those tiny jars you get from hotels. Then decant your favorite toiletries into these containers, making sure to label them clearly. This way, you've got everything you need in travel-sized portions, and you can easily breeze through airport security without any hassle. Plus, it's much more eco-friendly than constantly buying single-use travel-sized products. Here's a pro tip for you: wear your bulkiest items on the plane or train. Think about it: your heaviest shoes, your bulkiest jacket, that extra sweater you're not sure you'll need. They all take up valuable space in your luggage. Instead of packing them, wear them. Sure, you might be a little warm on the plane, but you'll be grateful for the extra space in your suitcase. Plus, it's a great excuse to rock your favorite jacket or show off your coolest kicks. Just make sure you're not wearing anything too restrictive or uncomfortable, especially if you're in for a long flight. Comfort is key, even when you're trying to maximize your packing space. Alright, this last tip is less about packing and more about staying connected on the go. Always, and I mean always, carry a portable charger with you. Nothing kills the travel vibe like a dead phone or tablet, especially when you're trying to navigate a new city or capture those epic travel shots. A portable charger is a lifesaver, allowing you to power up your devices on the go without having to frantically search for an outlet. Make sure you choose a charger that's compact and lightweight so it doesn't weigh you down. And don't forget to charge it fully before you leave. A dead portable charger is about as useful as a chocolate teapot, so make sure it's juiced up and ready to keep you connected on your adventures. And there you have it, my top travel hacks and DIY tips to help you pack smarter and travel like a pro. Remember, packing doesn't have to be a stressful chore. With a little planning and these handy tips, you can pack everything you need without feeling like you're lugging around your entire life. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel hacks and adventures. Safe travels.